Welcome from Dalvik.
Dalvik.
Dalvik, right? It says Dalvik.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. I
Yeah.
got confused. Where are we?
Yeah, because you didn't sleep well because it was so
Yes,
bright.
Yes, yes. We are still in Dalvik. Yes.
Yeah.
It was light all the time. Another
Yeah.
day. It's a
Yeah.
beautiful day.
You
Warm.
had to sleep with the eye covers, right?
Yes.
Gorgeous view. And then we also have a very friendly cat, which we fed this morning. She eats everything, and she's so gorgeous. She's so gorgeous. Beautiful kitty. Iceland. So Game of Thrones was filmed over here, and we're gonna go explore the place.
One of the bugs went inside his
So we remember when we started this trip, we started in the southwest where the volcano is, or where the eruption is. And basically like that, the area around there is because it's active because the two tectonic plates are drifting apart. And they are drifting apart basically from the southeast to the northeast. And now we are it goes through Iceland, and now we are in the north. Plant over there. And then we're going to see steam coming from out of the ground a little bit further. So it's basically like we're gonna see really similar things. Not very similar things, but basically the things that we are seeing here is because of the effects of the two tectonic plates drifting apart. And it's more or less the same that we're gonna see in the south, so to speak. So this area around here, this is from a volcanic eruption that was around 2,300 years ago. And as we could see, in the lava field that we went through in the south. So the lava had basically when lava comes out of the ground, it starts to get crusty on the outside fairly rapidly because of the cooling. And then you're underneath, it's so what happens? You have the lava gets crusty on the outside, but then you can have the liquid lava running underneath the crusty lava. And then basically when volcanic eruption finishes, the liquid lava underneath sort of drains out, and so you have a lot of lava caves in lava fields like the one that we saw the other day. Let's come here.
Okay.
This is where they film.
Coming for you.
So So this is
This is Lord of the Ring.
Oh, how nice.
Lord of the Ring place. There you go. Let's go.
Place for you, come.
volcanic eruption in the late 70s, early 80s, and then the water here started.
It was too hot.
Yes.
So there's water there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
It's warm. It's around between 43 and 46 degrees Celsius.
Righty, so now we're going to see the geysers. Bul, 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 bul. That's hot. Whoa, it's warm. It is warm. Hej! Izia doszła.